As a YouTuber, getting your content seen by a wider audience can be quite challenging. The ever-changing YouTube algorithm makes it difficult to keep up and maintain visibility. One crucial metric for any YouTube channel is the amount of watch time it receives. Reaching 4,000 hours of watch time is a significant milestone, and it's essential for any channel looking to grow. If you're looking for a shortcut to achieve this goal, consider using the #1 YouTube 4,000 hours watch time hack, UseViral. It's a safe and instant solution that can help boost your watch time. UseViral is a reputable website designed to assist YouTubers in growing their channels organically. They connect content creators with real viewers genuinely interested in their content, which can significantly improve your watch time. In addition to UseViral, there are other platforms like Sites Media and Seek Socially, which can also help you increase watch time by offering views, subscribers, and engagement for your YouTube channel. However, it's crucial to be aware that using third-party services to boost watch time goes against YouTube's terms of service. And it comes with potential risks, including potential penalties from YouTube. So, if you decide to use these services, do so at your own risk. In addition to external assistance, there are various ways to naturally increase your watch time on YouTube. Create engaging content that keeps viewers interested and wanting more. Optimize your videos for search by using relevant keywords in titles and descriptions. Promote your videos on social media to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other YouTubers to tap into new audiences. Utilize end screens and annotations to encourage viewers to watch more of your content. To monitor your watch time progress, you can use YouTube Analytics, which provides valuable insights into your channel's performance. Once you reach the 4,000 hours milestone, you become eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which allows you to monetize your channel through ads. Additionally, improving your video ranking on YouTube can significantly impact your watch time. You can achieve this by optimizing titles, descriptions, tags, creating custom thumbnails, adding closed captions, and promoting your videos on various platforms. When creating YouTube videos on a budget, planning is crucial. Outline your content and invest in affordable equipment like a good smartphone or entry-level camera, lighting, and a lapel microphone for better audio quality. During filming, focus on framing, lighting, and audio to ensure your video looks and sounds professional. Once you have your footage, use free or affordable editing software like iMovie, Lightworks, or HitFilm Express to edit and enhance your video. Promote your video on social media and engage with your audience to increase views and engagement. In conclusion, reaching 4,000 hours of watch time is a significant achievement for any YouTuber, and there are various strategies, including the use of third-party services, to help you reach this goal. However, it's essential to be mindful of the risks and adhere to YouTube's terms of service. Focus on creating engaging content and optimizing your videos for search to grow your audience organically and achieve long-term success on YouTube. Happy creating!